I have said this multiple times that mindset matters more than strategy. The way you think about your trading, the questions you ask yourself, the way you journal your trades is the most important things. As most of you know, I trade from Australia, majorly in the Australian time zone because I've got my need to manage everything. But today I'm going to show you how I missed one of the best trades that could have been for this month, and it doesn't affect my mindset. And people talk about strategy setups. I was right about what's going to happen. It's just that volatility hits you out. I hit my max for the day, having the discipline and still missing out that big move. But you still need to have that fixed mindset. It looks all big talk, so I'm just gonna get into the video, explain to you what actually happened with me and why I missed it. Or it's all about the mindset. It's not about missing out, it's about learning from it. So I'll go into what was happening here. So as you can see, the market has bounced back somewhere around $4,300, and I've been taking short trades on gold for a while. My bias is towards short. So a selling happened here, which was really good, and then it tried to reverse, and now it came back for the selling again. So this return over here, this is when I got interested that I want to take a short trade, but I couldn't take this over here or here. I missed this opportunity, and then it went all the way down. So from around 4,500, it went all the way to 4,484. From here, when it tried to go up, it came down, it went up again, and then it went down. So at this breakdown over here, 4,456, that's when I took my trade, thinking this low might go and we can have a new low which will be below this 4,300. So I've taken a short trade over here, and then it's kind of a trap. So it goes into volatility, it takes out my stop loss way. So I got out of on a stopped out on not that much, but it goes wildly back, then it comes down quickly, goes up, and then you see the breakdown. See how much money. So this low is taken. I couldn't catch it. People will say your setup sucks, but the thing is, it's about mindset. You can be right about the market, miss it out. Missing an opportunity is a bad thing when you can make a big profit, but it shouldn't stop you from learning from it. The mindset should be, if the market's gonna break down, maybe take some small lots and then pivot, which I've done in the past. But the probability was high. That's why I've taken it in this way. So the key learning here is, even if you're right, you can lose money. And the more pain you get is over here. You feel like I could have waited. I could have waited. Just see, all the way to 4,000, and it's easy trade, breakdown sideways, breakdown, $4,000, near $4,000, that's where you book 4,100, 150, massive profit, missed out. Do you feel sad? No, I want to learn. I'm happy that I'm documenting this. That's what's most important. That's what we need to focus on. And that's how you build a winning mindset. That is the most important thing, nothing else.